can't
Be
be Arijit. 12th में, but I scored 92%. Would love to work with Rahman sir. Love you zindagi, love you zindagi.
हेलो टू एवरीवन who's watching us on Mama Razi. This is Amar और आज मैं एक ऐसे ऑनेस्ट आर्टिस्ट के साथ who's changing the definition of music one day at a time. Hello Jasleen, how have you been?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also very good. Jasleen, first things first, आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है? मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया तो उसमें लिखा था कि it means God's praise or absorbed in singing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
when I
I didn't know that.
So when I read absorbed in singing, I was like, आपकी फैमिली को ऑलरेडी कैसे पता था?
I have no idea. That's trivia for me also. My grandmother named me,
जी.
and wow, like that makes sense.
Yeah. Just lean.
Yeah.
Lean है. Oh, okay. Okay. So congratulations for your new single, Assi Sajna.
Thank you.
What was the idea about it? I also got to know that it's your pop music debut. Yeah. So please.
So basically, I never think कि मुझे next year करना है. Like I try to do anything that I'm drawn to,
Yeah.
and I keep experimenting a lot. And like from all the songs that I've done, I've always tried to do something different. From Nachdi Nahi Sare to Hire to
Yeah.
Kho Gaye Hum Kahan to Assi Sajna, they all have very different
Yeah.
feel
Yeah.
to it. तो इसमें भी ऐसी था, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं सोचा. और आई थिंक मेरी प्रॉब्लम या मेरी स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस यही है, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं सोचती हूँ कुछ करने से पहले.
Simplicity.
नहीं, लाइक इम्पल्सिव.
Impulsive. Okay. But it works at times.
Yeah, it works, and then obviously there are pros and cons. So
And what is the con you think?
sometimes then I should take a moment to react to things. Then
Okay.
yeah, I should be little slow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ओके सो आपने बताया था कि मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा जहाँ पे आप लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं. यू सेड यू वर एकेडमिकली चैलेंज्ड. आई वाज आल्सो एकेडमिकली चैलेंज्ड.
हाँ,
आई वाज अ प्रीटी बैड स्टूडेंट.
मतलब मेरा था कि जब अगर मैंने सोचा है मुझे पढ़ना है, लाइक आई needed to have a bigger motive. Like why should I study?
Yeah.
Like I can just listen. Like parents are going to hate me for saying this, but I thought कि अगर मैं
You
पास,
were calculative about
हाँ
it and
मतलब
smart.
अगर मेरा पास होते होते काम हो रहा है तो मुझे मेहनत क्यों करनी है? तो I would always like keep barely passing and just study till जितने मार्क्स चाहिए उतना ही पढ़ के जाती थी.
Oh,
और
okay.
फिर 12th में but I scored 92%
Yeah, that-
because
yeah.
because I wanted to get out of Ludhiana. I wanted to go to Delhi. और मुझे था कि मुझे कोई पूछे नहीं कि क्यों जाना है दिल्ली, because Delhi is the best, one of the best universities, right?
Correct.
So nobody's gonna question me. And मेरा plan था कि मैं वहाँ जाके music करूँगी. I'll have so many
Wow.
new things to learn and so many new people to interact with who are, and a band culture, and you know like just get more exposure and everything. तो मेरा वो plan वो था.
Wow.
I
So
always needed that.
that's a very smart approach क्योंकि हम लोग तो डर के कारण पढ़ते थे कि डर है और निकालना है वो एग्जाम. Wow. Okay, so you wanted to leave home and be on your own to concentrate on your future, but
Yeah.
not academically, but somewhere else. So I wanted to ask you, on the day when you were performing on the stage of India's Got Talent, तो पहले कुछ और rounds हुए होंगे, and then selection हुआ होगा, then finally you stage पे होगे. What was your headspace like? Because it was, I think, your first biggest opportunity to prove your worth.
Yeah, but I didn't know much about it क्योंकि that was the first season.
Oh, okay.
And मुझे नहीं पता था क्या है उस टाइम ना. मैं कॉलेज कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए बहुत जाती थी क्योंकि I was an ECA student also. Extracurricular activities.
Okay.
Like I was
Like the
short
culture-
by 1% for BCom honors. So
Yeah.
then that singing and playing guitar and mouth organ came in handy.
Handy, yeah.
So मतलब मुझे वो कुछ certain competitions के लिए जाना ही था. That was there like.
So they were designed by the college or
Yeah.
you? Okay.
So college would send me and I
Oh,
would
wow.
go and I thought कि ये भी वैसा ही है कुछ. I'd heard and I thought I'll go for the audition and later I got to know what a big deal it was.
Yeah.
And पर उसके पहले भी बहुत सारे rounds हुए थे. फिर TV round होता है. फिर then I reached the semi-finals. So तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. Even if you see the video, I've just gone in my chappals and like my college clothes and I didn't think much. I didn't prepare too much.
Okay. What a great college.
I just showed up.
Okay. ऐसा कॉलेज सबको मिले, हम लोग का कॉलेज कहीं नहीं भेजता था।
नहीं, इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट में कॉलेज ने नहीं भेजा,
Okay,
पर मुझे लगा कि वो भी इट्स गोना बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट।
That-
अरे
that whole
कि
thing.
ये भी हो रहा है, कुछ यहाँ पे भी चले जाओ, यहाँ पे भी चले जाओ, यहाँ पे भी, तो मैं जाते रहती थी कहीं ना कहीं।
Also, India Got Talent के बाद फिर that switch came. That now I'll
That-
go all commercial.
दैट स्विच केम, मतलब इतना बड़ा स्विच नहीं, बट सम स्विच, सम
Something.
सॉर्ट ऑफ स्विच केम कि पीपल स्टार्टेड टेकिंग मी अ लिटिल मोर सीरियसली। तब तक मेरे दिमाग में ही था कि मुझे म्यूजिक कंपोजर बनना है, मुझे म्यूजिक कंपोजर बनना है। व्हेन that little validation came from India's Got
India's
Talent,
Got
so
Talent.
people said, "अरे हाँ, well that makes sense that you
Yeah.
should be a musician or whatever."
Yeah.
And then it gave me a head start. So एक first time in life I got a manager and I started doing gigs.
Yeah, that's little steps.
Little steps,
Yeah.
like किसी की anniversary में जाके गाना, किसी की birthday party में जाके गाना, and yeah.
Incredible. Your song Din Shagna Da ने एक magic किया था.
हाँ.
It featured Diljit also, who is like now the flag bearer of Punjabi industry
Yeah.
and India worldwide. And it featured him, it featured Anushka, then it became the OG bridal entry
Yeah.
song. What was the conversation with Anushka like before and after? Because I think it was reworked.
Yeah, of course, it was there were two parts. There were two versions of the song
Yes.
that was kept in the film.
Yeah.
One is like the original version, which made it to the album cut, and we made a new version for the film because of the narrative of the film and everything.
Correct.
And they had shot a lot of it on the original version. The
Okay.
song, and I had met Anushka, and she said she loved the song, and my director Anshay, and we sat on it and we made another version out of it for the film. And yeah, that's how it was. Like it was released on my as an independent song on my channel
Okay.
much before it
Much
became
before.
popular.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so they picked it up and
Yeah.
they really loved it, and that's how it became a part of Filori, and then Anushka's wedding.
Yeah, okay. Lovely film. And about Diljit, like when an artist like Diljit goes global like this, what does it does to artists from Punjab, from where you come from, or who are already doing incredibly well? But does a change happen, like in the perception of the artist, like globally?
Yeah, of course, it inspires you. It gives you the permission to think bigger,
Yeah, definitely.
think more global. Like
Yeah.
don't think just
Go big.
yeah.
Definitely. So again, the request with the people were saying, can you please sing 2 lines of Din Shagna?
अच्छा, sure. दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सजना.
Wow. Thank you for doing this. I'm very lucky today.
Thank you.
अब now about the current music industry, मुझे लगता है कि आजकल जो रील कल्चर हो गया है उसके कारण, मतलब obviously I'm not a composer, but I knew a few friends who are making music, who are trying very hard. But अभी रील कल्चर से क्या हो गया है कि पहले गाने बनते थे 5 मिनट, 6 मिनट, 7 मिनट के भी बनते थे. अब आई एम सीइंग देयर आर सॉन्ग जो 2 मिनट के हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द रील कल्चर, क्योंकि अब लोगों में उतना टाइम नहीं है, सो दे want that 1 minute 20 seconds का duration, और उसी फॉर्मेट में अब गाने भी बन रहे हैं. So what do you think is the reason behind it? Is it people are only focusing कि अब वो रील में हिट हो जाए, या are they becoming lazy? What do you think is happening?
Yeah, I don't think there's any math to it.
Okay.
If you see कोक स्टूडियो के गाने जो लंबे रहते हैं,
Yeah.
you know, like more than your film songs or other songs, वो भी तो ट्रेंड करते हैं
बिल्कुल.
रील्स पे. सो अ गुड सॉन्ग इज अ गुड सॉन्ग एंड इट विल ट्रैवल, एंड यू कांट पुट सो मच थॉट बिहाइंड कि ये रील पे चलेगा, ये वाला पार्ट, ये people will choose whatever they want to choose, and suddenly you'll
happen
see
organically.
like songs that were released 15 years ago, they are trending on reels. So there's
Yeah.
no math to
Doesn't
it.
matter. Okay, perfectly summed up. Now also music industry is seeing a digital revamp. Few of my friends, they compose music and then sometimes they see some other person making that music using AI. वो AI भी use कर रहे हैं, AI has come into. तो आपको क्या लगता है that change which is happening now, is it a big change which is about to come? And on certain things, so obviously the emotions and the mind and the heart will always jump the AI factor, but what do you think will it help?
I don't know like gonna happen in the future.
Yeah.
But कुछ ना कुछ टूल्स आते रहते हैं. पहले हम एनालॉग यूज़ करते थे, अब डिजिटल यूज़ करते हैं. पहले बड़े बड़े स्टूडियोज़ पे जाना पड़ता था, अभी घर के अंदर ही आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो.
Correct.
So of course, like tech is evolving and you embrace it to
Yeah.
stay relevant. And AI का जो voices है, मेरा उस पर तक ज़्यादा टेक नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. But you can always use it to figure out what your song requires. You know,
Okay.
like if I need to put a Qawwali section in my song and I just want to see if it works, so I can use some samples.
For the assistance. Yes.
But मुझे मेरे को लगता है जो सोल होती है, जो एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है, एक इमोशन होता है, वो ह्यूमन माइंड, ह्यूमन हार्ट, ह्यूमन वॉइस से ही आता है. जैसे ऐसे बहुत मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट भी होते हैं जो कि कोई भी आवाज़ में गा सकते हैं, which is great, like which is a great talent. And it's very entertaining and it's tough. But when an Arijit sings, then you can't beat that,
know
right?
that, yeah.
I mean, like you can sing it like him, or you can mimic him, but you can't be Arijit, or like you can't emote like him.
Yeah, the OGs will be OGs. मैंने आपका एक वीडियो देखा था एंड आई सेव्ड इट अपने इंस्टाग्राम में. वो सेव करने का ऑप्शन होता है जहाँ पे यू आर सिंगिंग रांझा विद सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा इन अ प्लेन.
Okay, yeah.
I think it was a flight.
Bumped on a flight, yeah.
Yeah, so that time when the song might have been picturized on Siddharth and Kiara, they were starting their own journeys. They have told this in an interview that they fell in love while shooting the movie. And again, it became the iconic wedding song. So, ऐसा कैसे कर लेते हो आप? क्या आप future predict कर लेते हो? Some gift you have?
Yeah, these things are bigger than you. You can't make it happen. You can't construct it. You can't like do it alone, because for somebody to choose it as their wedding song or as their song, it is something bigger at play. So I just feel very grateful that my songs become bigger than the situation or the film brief or the film or that moment.
Yeah, like a core memory.
It becomes core memory. Yeah. So you obviously feel great, like when a song gets so much love. That's your dream as an artist.
Yeah, definitely. So can you please jam on 2 lines?
Okay. चुप माही चुप है रांझा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, आजा आजा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, बोले कैसे वे ना जा, चुप माही चुप है रांझा, आजा आजा.
Lovely, thank you. Now बहुत सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो आए. I came in this city in 2016 and there were many friends who used to sing. मेरे तो कुछ 2-3 flatmates भी थे. They came, they tried, they got different like jobs to sustain themselves, but they left also. They did their part, but they couldn't get anything, and they left. Now you came from Ludhiana, no connections. You must have done something right. Tabhi you became what you became, and you have also won awards in major award functions where you have overpassed talents like Rabbi Shergill, for example. And so if I want to ask you कि अगर आप एक advice या 2 advice कुछ tips देना चाहो for someone who comes to become a musician in a city like Bombay.
I didn't have a plan B.
Yeah.
So I was at it. I was like, ये option नहीं है life में, करना ही है. And I was just doing things constantly and consistently. And my journey has taught me like to be patient. And like I said, there's no formula. I don't know how a song comes to me, but I try every day, and I try to learn from people, from their journeys, from the people I have an encounter with. So yeah, that's what I try to do, and I try to stay honest. I try to put out things that I really connect with.
Yeah.
I don't put out things that are just trending or so. If I feel it here, then I put it out.
Wow.
So I just try to stay honest, and then I just keep doing.
Okay. So honesty in the craft and consistency is the key. Okay. अभी आजकल नए गानों की शेल लाइफ बहुत कम हो गई है. Like they become chart busters, but then 4 महीने बाद 5 महीने बाद recall value नहीं होती. पुराने गाने ऐसे होते थे और वो ऐसे कल्ट क्लासिक्स बन जाते थे, जैसे कि आई रिमेंबर अगर बारात है या संगीत है तो ओ हो तो बजेगा ही, चाहे जो कोई रिक्वेस्ट करे ना करे, दैट विल बी वन सॉन्ग. नाउ वन ऑफ योर सॉन्ग्स नजदे ने सारे, चाहे जो हो जाए, अगर हम लोग फ्रेंड्स ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं या घर पे मैं एक हाउस पार्टी कर रहा हूँ या संगीत में बज रहा है, अगर रिक्वेस्ट भी नहीं है, समवन विल प्ले दैट सॉन्ग एंड एवरीवन विल बी डांसिंग. सो अगेन, how do you do it? Because
Like I said.
your songs have that quality which will be listened after 20 years, 30 years.
Thank you, touch wood.
Yeah.
But like I said, I don't have a process.
Hmm.
I don't have a formula. I just try to do my best, honestly.
Really? That
हाँ.
like it's just that.
करते रहती हूँ. Yeah, I mean, there's no process to it.
Okay. So now नच देने सारे.
नचदे ने सारे रल मिल के अज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे नचदे ने सारे रल मिल के अज हिल डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे आसमानों खाने.
Too good. Now manifestations.
हाँ.
अब मैं पहले तो बिलीव नहीं करता था, आई एम अ मिलेनियल, मेरे को पर मेरे बहुत सारे जेनजी फ्रेंड्स हैं ऐसे 11-11 होता है, 11-11 चिल्लाते हैं, मुझे भी दिखाते हैं और
Thank
फोर्स
you,
करते हैं कि तुम भी करो ही.
हाँ.
फिर आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, लेट्स
ठीक है.
ट्राई. और कभी कभी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा
हाँ.
हुआ वेयर आई मैनिफेस्टेड एंड वो हो गया एंड
हाँ.
देन आई हैव स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग,
Yeah.
कि जब होता है तभी आप बिलीव
Correct,
करते हो.
correct.
So coming to manifestations and your dream collabs, is there any manifestation which you make or any dream collab which you are looking out for that you wanted to happen?
Of course, like so many, like I keep saying, like I would love to work with Rahman sir.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, like that's on my like top
Yeah.
of the list.
That will be magical. Now आजकल कॉन्सर्ट की वीडियोस बहुत आ रहे हैं, बहुत वियर्ड भी हैं, कुछ फनी भी हैं, कुछ chaotic हैं. Sometimes people are throwing bottles, sometimes the artist is snatching away the mobile. So if I want to ask you, has there been any very like funny or quirky incident जब आप कॉन्सर्ट में पब्लिक के लिए गा रहे हैं, you are like, oh what's happening, this is mad?
No, not anything that I can think of. Yeah, I've always had a.
I think I know the reason, क्योंकि आपके गानों में इतना सुकून है ना that लोगों के दिमाग में खुराफाते तो नहीं आते, must be wanting to absorb it. Okay, now 2 songs of yours are in my go-to list, like in my playlist. तो दो जो मैं अकेले में बहुत सुनता हूँ. एक है Love You Zindagi. That song is a self-love song, and जहाँ तू चला, as I told you. Or for me, my self-love exceeds everything. Whenever I think there's a problem in my life and I just recollect everything and I realize that I'm putting myself नीचे दूसरे लोगों से.
Okay.
And when I go back in my same journey, it fixes everything.
Okay.
तो क्या ये दोनों गाने उसी emotion से निकले? Are you also a person who hypes upon self-love?
मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत ही सेंसिटिव इंसान हूँ और I have a lot of empathy, which is a superpower.
Yes, definitely.
On most days and sometimes weakness.
Agree.
But जहाँ तू चला is all about embracing vulnerability and about companionship. It's about having those tough conversations with your people, and those are the best conversations, I feel. So it's about that, and it's about telling your friend or hearing from your friend कि no matter what, I'm there with you. Sometimes, you know, like you just drive yourself insane just thinking about things, and like the song starts, कहता कुछ और करता है और लेता है क्यों तू दिल पे जोर बतला. Like tell me, talk it out. I'm here to listen to you. और कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे तो बस बैठ जाएंगे, सनराइज देखेंगे, सनसेट देखेंगे,
Simple.
थोड़ा चिल करते हैं,
Wow.
प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहते हैं.
Okay.
इतना नहीं सोचेंगे पास्ट और फ्यूचर के बारे में. तो it's that song, like just a warm hug
Yeah.
to somebody.
Definitely.
And Love You Zindagi is just a very happy song. It's an
very
uplifting
freeing.
song. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's freeing. Yeah, that's the song.
So, dear Zindagi, Love You Zindagi, please. That is my last request.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय. लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी. Thank you.
Too good, too
Thank
good.
you.
Now, lastly, I would want to ask you, what's coming up next for all the fans of waiting? अभी इस साल what all is lined up?
So a lot of stuff is lined up because जब आप indie करते हो तो थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लगता है to release it because you're doing everything on your own.
Hmm.
So there are many songs
So you
that
mean
are
to say that collaborative forces come होते हैं?
putting it out, like doing the video, producing a video, and
Everything.
then putting it. Yeah, so it just takes a lot of effort and time. So there's so many songs that I just want to put out now.
Yeah.
So a lot of stuff is coming up. A very big collaboration is coming up
Wow.
very soon. So
Very good.
I'll keep you posted.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you for this
Lovely
conversation.
talking to you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Jasleen Royal, and you are watching me on Mama Razi.